NotebookLM can save you hours, but only if you start right. I wasted my first one just staring at a black screen. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to build your first working notebook from real textbook materials and actually get results. This is my drive right now. Lesson plans everywhere, PDFs buried, worksheets lost in old folders. We're not drowning in work, we're drowning in disorganization. NotebookLM isn't another tool to learn, it's the thread that connects everything you already have. But here's the catch. Step 1, upload one file. Upload a reading, a worksheet, or in this case, I'm going to upload my textbook. Okay, step 2, once your textbook or file is uploaded, check the description. NotebookLM creates its own description, but if you need something more specific, this is where you would change it. Just click on here, and then I can change the description pretty quickly. Step 3 is try this prompt. Summarize the key ideas from Chapter 8, Instructions and Directions for EFL University Students, highlight sequencing adverbs, first, next, then, finally, and common imperative verbs. Create 3 short discussion questions for pair practice. That took less than 5 seconds. And look, NotebookLM didn't just summarize, it built a structured mini lesson ready for class tomorrow. Now here's what I did wrong the first time. I uploaded everything, slides, quizzes, worksheets, hoping it would organize itself. It didn't. The result, a summary so generic it could have been written by a toaster. That's what I learned. NotebookLM mirrors what you feed it. One focused document needs 10 random files every time. Here's what changed for me. I stopped treating NotebookLM like magic and started treating it like a teaching assistant. Watch this. Same notebook, new prompt. Create a new interactive classroom activity to replace the vocabulary blank section from Chapter 8. Use the existing vocabulary list from the textbook. Design a specific 10-minute classroom task where students give and follow directions using imperatives and sequencing words. Include step-by-step teacher instructions, an example dialogue, and a short student reflection question. That's a solid draft in 20 seconds. Now let's try another one. Write 3 warm-up questions to activate prior knowledge about giving directions. See the pattern? Clear input equals useful output. You're not replacing lesson prep, you're compressing your first draft of thinking. Here's your challenge. Upload one lesson file you already use in class, maybe a reading passage, activity sheet, or short guide. Check the title NotebookLM generates and add this prompt. Do it right now. Done? Drop your topic in the comments. I'll help you write your next prompt personally. Because here's what's next. We're turning this same notebook into a mini audio lesson using NotebookLM's new audio overview. Your students will hear clear modeled explanations without you recording a single thing. But that only works if you start today. See you in the next one.